writing of Fiverr gig descriptions just got a little bit easier and faster. With the use of ChatGPT, you can actually write exceptionally great Fiverr gig descriptions that will wow your client. This will also help your gigs have higher ranking in Fiverr and also do a perfect job at giving your gigs a perfect explanation to your services and have your clients easily convinced to purchase your gigs on Fiverr. Now listen, in this video today, let me show to you step-by-step beginner's guide on the required prompts that when you type into ChatGPT will ensure that you get the perfect feedback in terms of the gig descriptions that you're making requests for. But then, before we proceed, don't forget to hit the like button so that this video gets to 1000 likes as fast as possible. Thank you. So what exactly is ChatGPT and how can you have access to it? Very shortly, ChatGPT is an AI tool that has the ability to talk to humans and also assist them to perform several tasks. You can ask that this open AI chatbot write you an essay, a blog post, answer questions for you, or write a code, or even rewrite a wrongly written code for you. But then, I strongly think that the value of ChatGPT is yet to be proven in all of these areas that I have just mentioned. The point at which the OpenAI tool is at the moment when it comes to writing gig descriptions on Fiverr, the AI tool is doing a great job at writing gig descriptions, making this AI tool a really great tool for freelancers. In order for you to have access to the OpenAI tool, just go to openai.com and click on Try ChatGPT. And of course, you need an account created. And once that is done, simply log in and you can have access to the chatbot. Upon logging in, a home page appears and a simple cool interface that has a search bar at the bottom of it is presented to you. Now, here is where the magic actually happens. Let me show to you a gig descriptions that I actually asked the OpenAI tool to write for me. Take a look at how great that is. The gig description was written by the ChatGPT OpenAI tool specifically for a video editor. To me, that is really powerful, and judging from the level of quality, it will be most useful for most Fiverr gig sellers. So if you're actually a Fiverr seller and you're having little troubles with English language, especially if English language is related to the service that you are actually providing, ChatGPT can actually help you to fill in that barrier. In such a way, more people can actually find your services on Fiverr, and then your services can actually be of much great help to them.
But then if you want the OpenAI tool to provide you with specific oriented results like that, there are specific prompts that you have to keep typing in. For this reason, I have a checklist that I've made specifically for you. It is one that is really easy to follow and you have the assurance of getting your desired results. Step 1. Start by typing in something like write a freelance service description for, then where you see the bracket right here, just insert the skill in particular that you want to actually write about. So in our own case, I'm going to type in here, write a freelance service description for graphic design. The next thing is to include the background information, such as the name of the freelancer, his level of expertise, then the time that he has spent in the particular industry, then some of the working tools that he has come in contact with in relation to the skills that he has, and then you can include his educational qualifications. And this can actually be either in terms of going to a physical school directly or in terms of taking some form of online courses from places like udemy.com, Skillshare, and some other platforms. Then a brief information such as the kind of person that they are, what it is that they enjoy, and then some of the things that can be added to the services once they have been delivered. Don't worry, I will have a copy of this checklist for you in the description box below, and so you can actually download it for free. Using this checklist will really give you a surprising result that will do very well on a large number of people's Fiverr gigs. So let me go over this with you, and I'm going to make use of the checklist, and I'll do it with a different gig entirely, and this time around graphic design gig description, instead of using the one that we actually used for the video editing gig. This way, you get to see the amazing results that it will put out following the checklist that we'll be using. One thing I've learned using the OpenAI tool ChatGPT is that it can give you a laser target specific result in providing you with the gig descriptions that you require. Once you're able to feed it with the very right information so that it can cook out the right information for you. This structure that I'm putting out to you in this video today is proof to me that you can get a reliable information to put out your results more consistently. So one may ask, Should I rely absolutely on the ChatGPT OpenAI tool for gig descriptions? My honest answer to that question is that I don't really know, as at this time, about 90% of the results generated by the ChatGPT OpenAI tool are really cool. The remaining 10% is a human factor that is required by you, so you can put in your own personal touch or your own style to the gig description after the ChatGPT OpenAI tool has written its own for you. Think about this for a moment. The fact that the ChatGPT OpenAI tool is in place, it will form a basis for a large number of people. So if everyone gets to use the OpenAI ChatGPT tool and copy and paste word for word, it will be kind of hard to strike a clear difference between one person's results and another person's result. Therefore, putting in your own personal touch and your own style to the result that is just spilled out for you could just be the factor that makes you stand out from the rest of the competition. This way, it can help a large number of people make a purchase from you. Considering all of these things that ChatGPT OpenAI tool has the capacity to do you think that the existence of ChatGPT OpenAI tool is here to replace our physical jobs? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to read your comments. And if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and stay subscribed for more value-packed content such as this one. Don't also forget to watch this video showing up right here to learn a lot more potentials of ChatGPT OpenAI business ideas, and I'll see you in the very next one.